Hi everyone! Today's video is slightly different. It's in the park, and you know how Storykate loves nature. So I'm going to share with you few resources from Creative Fabrica that will extend your program to the park, to the pond and other places where you can do treasure hunt with children. So the resource I was going to talk about is called scavenger hunt or treasure hunt. And what I usually do, I usually make my own templates for birthday parties, for learning programs in early childhood education and care. It's so much easier to use the ready to go templates like this one. So all you will need to do as a teacher or a parent is to print it and then pop it on a clipboard or give it to children in a kind of folder with a pencil or whatever you are using and send them off to find all these objects. Treasure hunt or scavenger hunt is an amazing game for concentration. It develops understanding of symbols. It is cognitive development game. And of course, because it's a group game, it does develop social skills and it is fun. So for example, you are organizing a birthday in the park or you are getting out for excursion with a group of children and you have this scavenger hunt template printed out. All children need to do is to walk around in groups under the guidance of educators or parents and find a bench. Yeah, so once they did, they tick a pass. Yeah, so they tick and picnic table. So once it's all done, the game is over. But what I noticed as an educator and I would say child entertainer and storyteller, that they usually come for more. Even if you are not going on excursions a lot, you can do treasure hunt or scavenger hunt in your garden. All you need is this template, garden scavenger hunt, and give children textures or pencils. You can laminate this wonderful template and send them off to find some grass or bushes or trees. And you don't need to specify what kind of tree, so it's a lot of fun. So I've done this one with a lot of preschoolers and it's always an amazing group game and they enjoy playing it together, so it's very social. In addition to an amazing templates that I showed you, you can use this beautiful nature alphabet from Creative Fabrica as well. One of the designers developed this beautiful poster that you can display outside and laminate it to protect from weather. Or you can actually invite children to use this print out as a treasure hunt prompt. For example, in autumn, summer, winter, you can send children to find butterflies, acorn, depends on the season. But I find this has a lot of other options to be used just as a beautiful watercolor painting, beautiful poster that you can come back to and talk about many things, such as what acorn starts with and can you find KK for kangaroo. So it's not just treasure hunt prompt, it's a versatile, wonderful literacy prompt that you can use in your classroom and outside. In the description for this video, you will find the affiliate link that you can just go and you will end up on my landing page, Storykate and Creative Fabrica. And all you need to do is to click on this green button, try it for free, and start downloading. So you can see that it does give you access to all the designs you can think of, all the products, fonts, and the materials that I was talking about, such as treasure hunt templates.